Hey guys, I just wanted to shake things up a bit. I wanted to do an unboxing on a new gadget that actually I got this for my son. No? He's been asking for a mechanical keyboard. So this is a Royal Kludge RK61. No, so it's a 60. I guess it means 61 keys. So let's. I got this in Lazada for about 2,300 bucks. Here you go. So it's a RK61. This is the red switch model. So they do have a red switch. This is a more silent one used for gaming. There is a brown switch, which is the more standard one, and then there's a blue switch, which it makes it like a clicky sound. So if you want that feeling of like a typewriter, it actually works better. No, so this one has the RGB. Um, I was actually they do have a new version of this RK61, which has three connections, right? So this one is dual connect, and so let's finish the unboxing first. So let's pull this out, and then all right, let's get everything out first. Get rid of this box. So here is the actual keyboard. So let's just pull this out. So we got the black one with RGB. Like I mentioned, this is dual connect. So what that means is it can connect to Bluetooth and wired. No, so it does come with the manual. And then the keyboard, it comes with a key puller. Okay, let's just get this in. So this is actually my first mechanical keyboard. Well, it's not mine, no, like I mentioned, it's for my son. So you use the key puller to pull this out. I don't know how yet. And then it comes with extra switches, no? So this one I didn't know that it came with extra switches. So this is what I was saying. It's a red switch. As you can see here, it makes very minimal sound when it's pressed. Okay, and this goes under the keycap. So in case like one of these breaks, you can actually swap that out. And then this is the cable. It is a USB-C. Thank God, no USB-C. There's still micro USBs out there, especially in our home automation space, no. And then a USB-A. So this one connects directly to the computer. The USB-C port is here. And then if you want to turn it on, you've got a switch here, right? If it's not connected to the USB-C, it will be connected to sorry, if it's not connected to USB-C, it's going to be in Bluetooth. I believe you hit the function key, and then this 1, 2, and 3 are the Bluetooth profiles. So you can connect it to 3 different Bluetooth. So say for instance you want to connect to your desktop, to your laptop, and then maybe to your mobile phone. So you can use it for any of those. It's very, very small. There's no way to prop it up. So if you do want it to be a little higher, well, which I don't recommend. No, it is so you can see the profile of the keys here. It is pretty. I would say that this angle is pretty okay. No, I would maybe get a wrist support here, but this is the sound. The space key seems a little hollow. Alright, for this area, we're just gonna go through all of the functions. So if you press function 1, this one goes to the computer panel. This one opens your browser. This one opens your email. This one opens your calculator. This one opens your media player. If you've got Spotify running or any media player, this is stop, back, play, pause, forward, silence, and then you've got volume decrease and volume increase. Okay, now in terms of the functionality for all of these RGB lightings, no, this one, if you press function plus this one, it cycles through 11 different types of RGB functions or lighting functions. This one decreases the light. This one increases the light. This one decreases the speed. This one increases the speed, and then this one changes the color. Okay, so let's go through the decreasing of the light to, and then until none. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if it's at max, it will just give this red light. And then if we want to make it slower, we go here. If it does red, that means it's already at max, right? So we made this the slowest already. If you want to change the light, this is it. I'm not going to go through each one, right? So you can just play around with this. We'll also do a review on the software as well, but right now we'll go through the lights. So this one is basically like a fade from where you press. The next one is like it's like a running light. Okay. This one is like is the wave. You've got like another wave pattern. 5. So this is like the glowing pattern, like a breathing glowing pattern. 6. Okay, this is just static, so you can of course change the light here as well until you find all the colors that you want specific to you, right? This is why I kind of like the RGB one. Okay, so this one basically, once you start typing, it just leaves like a slight glow after. Okay, next. 8. So basically what happens here is the light turns off after you press it, and then it slowly goes back. Pretty nice. So this one just randomly changes the keys. Oh wow, that's gonna make me dizzy. So this is just like the breathing. one, no? So this is breathing with changing of the lights. So this is like a RGB change, but like in a waterfall. So this one's a little bit more wave, but vertical. I guess this one's like a little bit more, it's like circular in a way. So this one, once you press it, the whole line lights up. And then this one, it's like a strobe wherever you press, no? Okay, so I hope this sort of explains everything. Okay, so I'll probably for the next review I'll make one on the software of this one. I'm also planning on getting another one, most likely the RK84. So once again, guys, if you want to see that, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks, guys. Bye.